guys, we're going to play Slendrina the school. Mag-play mo ta. So, select difficulty. So, mag-easy. Let's go na. Hala. Hala, oy. So, let's go na. My key. Need ko jud ng anong piece of tape. Hala, oy! Abriha. So, hala, oy. Okay. So, let's go now. Lam abro. La. Grabe ba? Slendrina dili. Thank you. Nagulat ako, guys. La, di ba obvious? Oh, my key. Lam abro. La. Let's go. Let's go na, guys. So, next na pa. So, agree. Wait lang. So, agree. Oh my God. Wala, oy. Mag-lag akong cellphone. So, wala. So, mag-lag. 3. Okay, so maglaro na to. Wala man jud makahanap kay mobrang mga cabinet kay so ano na ta wait, baka magalit sila na kay may ano na ta. Hala, oy, ang teddy bear. Hala, Slendrina dyan. Hala, oy. Hala, guys, magpatay ako. No. Hala, oy. Hala. Sige, Slendrina. Hala, game over man. Aday, game over man, Jude. So, mag-play ta again. Kay mag-play ta again. So, guys, maglag ang aking cellphone, guys. Maglag siya, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.